Imagining plot twists and character growth, exploring conditional structures. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our video today. We're diving into the world of media and entertainment, specifically discussing hypothetical plot lines and character development using conditional sentences. Conditionals can make our thoughts and speech more nuanced and exciting. Are you ready to take your English grammar to the next level? Let's quickly recap what conditionals are. We have 4 types in English: 0, first, second, and third conditionals. Each of them helps us discuss different types of situations, from facts and real possibilities to unlikely events and hypothetical scenarios. They can be a powerful tool when discussing hypothetical plot lines and character developments. When discussing potential plot lines, we often talk about hypothetical situations. This is where the second and third conditionals shine. For instance, imagine you're discussing a new season of your favorite show. You might say, if the main character had not discovered his superpower, hypothetical past, he would not have been able to save the city. Hypothetical result. That's a classic third conditional. Or, if the protagonist were to confront the villain now, hypothetical present or future, the story would become much more exciting. Hypothetical result. An example of the second conditional. Now, let's move to character development. Conditionals allow us to imagine how characters might grow and change over time. Let's say you're speculating about a character's potential growth. You might say, if the character learns to trust others, condition, he will become a stronger leader, result. That's the first conditional, a real possibility in the future. But what if you want to discuss a missed opportunity? You might say, if the character had opened up about her past, hypothetical past, she might have built stronger relationships, hypothetical result. That's the third conditional again, talking about a hypothetical past. Now it's your turn to practice. Think of your favorite movie or series, pick a character or plot, and create sentences using different conditionals. Remember, practicing is the key to mastering conditionals in English. Well done! You've learned how to use conditionals in discussing hypothetical plot lines and character development in media and entertainment. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be crafting complex sentences with ease. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, every step you take in learning English brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next video.